Hey guys, it's me, back with a scrapbooking page. This is a 12 by 12 page. Probably put that in the title though. And as you can see, the picture is ginormous. I didn't actually measure it, but it's probably close to 6 by 8 or 5 by 7 maybe. Probably 5 by 7. So obviously I had to do a 12 by 12 without cutting it. Anyway, that note that I have that I'm going to tuck behind there is about this picture. And this picture is my autistic son, and they take him to the bowling alley, and they just do different kind of field trips and whatnot. Well, apparently there was this all the kids called him Grandpa, who would go and take pictures. And I know this is not a perfect picture of him. His hair needs to be cut. His sweater looks all, worn out, and so do his jeans, or what are those things called? Uniform pants. But it was towards the end of the year. So with having 4 kids, you don't just go and re-up all the uniforms. Anyway, it goes on to say that he goes to, I guess he has a granddaughter in the group, in Gabriel's class, and he goes to all the events, and he got this picture of Gabriel. And you see me trying to squeeze his little cheeks there, because Gabriel doesn't smile. Gabriel is not, I hate to say it, he's just not a happy kid. He's very negative most of the time. But I feel like when he's around his friends and like-minded people, he could be himself a little more, I guess. Whereas when he's at home, we're kind of, we're different to him. So, yeah. But I take some papers here and I layer them up. I was going to say scrap them, but you already know I'm doing that. This is from a paper pad I'm trying to, use up. And those were just some scraps that were laying in the front of it. But I knew I wanted to use some kind of red because of his shirt. Hence the hearts. And the background paper, I thought, kind of looks orange on here, but it's a little bit more red in person. And then I thought, because of that gray thing in the background, the ball catcher, I guess is what it's called, that gray paper went well. So, anyway, I'm basically going to make this paper a tag-ish type thing that you can pull out and read, so you'll know how I came about this picture. And I don't know if you can see it on his arm there, that is out of his sweater's pushed up on. He's got a tattoo there, and he is 100% convinced that that's real tattoo. And God bless him. He's going to get tattoos when he gets older, he's told me. And I'm like, oh, okay. You do know, because I try to be as honest with him as I can be, but he's, when he is in a good mood or whatnot, he is very unrealistic. Which, he's developmentally delayed. That's where he's at on the spectrum. So he's more like he's 13 now, but he's probably more like a 6-year-old. Being very unrealistic and thinking, movies are real and Superman and Batman are real. So he thinks this tattoo is real. And anytime we go anywhere, if they have like those tattoos where they blow on, it's like airbrushed on, he wants to get one, and he will hold his arm out just like he has his arm right here. He doesn't have it covered up because he doesn't want to mess his tattoo up. So, anywho, these 2 little boxes, now that I've told you our life story, these 2 little boxes here to the side are all Citrus Twist goodies that have come from their kits, and I just haven't used. So I kind of keep them to the side because I am trying to use them up in my pregnancy album, which I haven't done a video on that in a few weeks because videos are just hard to manage right now with just being tired and summertime in Georgia. I don't know if you guys are in Georgia. The heat was ridiculous last week. I didn't even go to my life group this Thursday because I was just so tired after work. I'm starting to swell up with my pregnancy, so anywho, and then I did bring in some sprinkly. You can see my belly there. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I bring in some sprinkly bits. I do keep this one, as I feel, relatively simple. Those stickers, the hearts and stuff, are Freckle Fawn. Those blooper packs they did, I'm pretty sure it came from there. So I sprinkle those, which I thought it was a good opportunity because there was gray and red. I was thinking bringing in some sequins, but they were kind of not accessible, so I just let it be. There's, plenty of other things I could use. So, these hearts are Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure I got them from Walmart. And that's pretty much all I do, is just do some sprinkly bits. And then I realize, as I bring you in closer, I realize I wanted some more by those words down there, on the inside of the words, because I leave it kind of like this and it looks like it needs something. So I do pop you back up on the stand to add some goodies there. And I do hope I can start getting some more videos done. I need to really crack down on getting some done and on the hard drive for me to just put up when I'm not feeling well, But I do this all on my phone. I know I've told you that, guys, before, but there's only so much storage on your phone, okay? I did do another batch of printing my pictures last week or a week before, or whenever. No, it was Mother's Day, I think it was. And holy moly, I'm good to go. I've got pictures for days, you guys. Days. I tell you no lie. But all I like to think of it as is I'm ready. And I already have cut them down and sorted them into, what size layouts I want to do. So I do have the little clear boxes that I sort those out. Anyway, I'm just going through my little boxes next to me with all my little pieces and trying to decide, using a little piece here and there, because that's how I feel like I'm going to finally get all my stickers used up. And here I go. I'm going to show you it. And then I'm going to say, I didn't use any Nuvo drops on this one because I kind of needed to go ahead and put it away. But I really appreciate you guys coming and seeing my videos and just sitting with me. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I am going to go ahead and post this one because I haven't done a Saturday post in a while. So, surprise, surprise. You guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.